Okay, so first let's start with a relatively simple situation. Let's see if we can figure out the probability of getting a royal flush.
Okay.
With just one deck?
Yeah, sorry, one deck.
Okay. Well, in this case, there are only 4 ways this can happen.
Okay.
So you have 4 choices for the ace, and then the rest are forced to happen.
Okay, so 4 ways this can happen.
And then out of,
if we're doing 5 card hands only,
Yeah.
it'd be 52 times 51 times 50 times 49 times 48.
or you could say it's 52 choose 5 because the order isn't going to matter.
Yeah.
Yeah, so which one is it? Is it 50? Is it 4 divided by 52 choose 5, or 4 divided by 52 times 51 times 50 times 49 times 48?
Well,
I think it would be 52 choose 5 because you can have them. You can have the cards in any order. They don't have to be in this order.
Okay.
they can come out in whatever order you want, but they still make the same hand.
Okay, so it's 4 out of 52 choose 5, and 52 choose 5 is about 2.5 million. I have it written down here actually. It's about 2.6 million. 598 960.
Okay. So it's a very low.
Yeah, so this is about 1 out of 650,000. It turns out. How about a regular flush?
So not a straight flush, just a normal flush.
Just, yeah.
Well,
Right. You're absolutely right. If we were going to really calculate the odds of any flush, so straight flushes are better than regular flushes, so we would have to eliminate the special kinds of flushes. But let's just simplify a little bit and just do a regular flush.
Okay.
So what does that mean? What does flush mean?
to 5 cards of the same suit.
Okay, so our bottom is going to be 52 choose 5 again.
Mm-hmm. Well,
What's the top?
if we're not concerned about if it's going to result in a straight flush or not, we can say it's 4 times 13 choose 5.
Okay.
Because to make it out of one suit is 13. There's 13 choose 5 ways, and then
4 suits.
4 suits. Yeah.
Okay. So very good. This is in the neighborhood of 500 to 1. Now, if I wanted to subtract out all the straight flushes, including the royal flush, how much? What do you think I have to subtract out here? Can we figure that out?
So
Just a flush that's not a straight.
Well, we can just calculate how many straight flushes there are, because there aren't a lot. Because the highest card, are we going to assume aces are high here?
well, no, but you can go either way.
Yeah,
Either way.
for straights in poker, the ace can actually be
At the bottom or at the top.
at the bottom or at the top, right? That's a good way of saying it. So there's no king ace 2 3, king ace 2 3 4. Sorry, is not a straight.
So it either has to be at the top or the bottom.
Right, but ace 2 3 4 5 is a straight.
Okay.
Yeah.
So our high cards can start at 5 and go up to ace.
Okay.
So I guess that is 9,
9.
and then times 4 suits. Because we can, so
Wait a minute.
actually no, it's
5,
10.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jack, king, queen, ace. Yeah, so it's 10.
10 because ace is high and but ace is also low. So
Yeah.
yeah. So there are then 40 straight flushes,
Okay. Yeah. So
including the royal flush.
actually, subtracting out the number of special kinds of flushes here isn't really that hard. It's 4 suits times 10 straights.
Yeah.
And this would be a non-special flush. So it's actually not that different. So, I mean, this is a small number compared to that.
Yeah.
So it's all about 500 to 1. Okay, so now let's see if we can do the flush with 2 decks.
Okay.
Let's see what we can do.